Hello, everybody out there in YouTube lands. Glenn Kestner from Roosevelt Hill Cemetery. Thank you all for joining us. We appreciate it. Thank you for joining me. I'm not really used to doing YouTube videos. I find it very, very surreal. That's why you find most of my content. I'm normally behind the scenes and I'm not, I guess, in front of the camera explaining a lot of things on how I do things and how I go about doing them. A lot of people have been asking me through the YouTube channel and people that know me through Facebook and Instagram and just people that know me in general. I don't have a background in any of the stuff that I do, theater, staging, that stuff. No. When I was in high school, I would do TV productions and stuff like that, but nothing creative when it came to decorating and certain things like that. However, I used to be a DJ, so not that I'm not fond of being behind the microphone or being behind the music or even behind all that, but I like to kind of put myself out there where people can see what I'm actually doing. So welcome to the wonderful world of what goes on in Roosevelt Hills. I mean, I'm a normal guy. We're just normal folks, just like you. Baby Yoda's hanging out. Sorry, Grogu. My wife is a technical designer, so we've got mannequins in the background, and being that since the pandemic it's been happening, everybody's been working from home, so she's been working from home. But one of the things that I wanted to talk to you all about here today is a company that makes Halloween candles, more or less not typical Halloween candles, but more of the horror genre-based type of a candle. I came across this from my good friend Mac Huntformer. So I want to say, Mac, thank you so much for turning me on to this company. And the company that we're going to be talking about today is, and I'll put a link in the description as well, Misfire and Dread. So you can find them through Etsy. There's a gentleman who owns this company. His name is Lee. Fantastically nice guy. I mean, like real nice guy. I wanted to get something different for my wife for Christmas this year, and I said, and I'm like, all year long I wind up getting her things that, just things that kind of make sense for her. So I want to kind of go through a couple of these candles as a review, and see what comes out of this. I mean, I smelled a little bit of them, and I've been really, really, really dying for her to light these candles, and she's put them in a box downstairs, and she's like, we have to use the candles that we have first. So I gotta, happy wife, happy life, I guess. So, but anyway, we're gonna review these candles here today. Shout out to our friend Lee and Mac for turning me on. And if you want to purchase your own candles from Misfire and Dread, these are the candles. They're 8-ounce candles, and what they're made with is soy and vegetable blended wax. If you're like us, we are dog people. We have 3 little ones. We've got a Shih Tzu mix, a Chihuahua, and a lot of different scents and stuff like that are really not good to burn candles for them. And the soy blend and vegetable, I guess, blend is a better candle to burn from what I understand. So let's get right into it. Our first one is Vlad Dracula, and I'll put this right here. Vlad Dracula. And as you can see, it's got a nice purple. Very nice. Like a black raspberry and vanilla. So again, the theme that goes along with these are not necessarily horror based, but more like Halloween based, if you will. Like Salem. Oh wow, that smells good. I'm not gonna try to burn my nose off. So yeah, Vlad Dracula, black raspberry, and vanilla. I don't get a lot of vanilla, but I do get more of the that's nice. I get more of the black raspberry in there. On to the next. I did get 9 candles. And Lee, I want to say thank you so much. The packaging that goes along with ordering from a company like this, I love the packaging. I love the close attention to detail. You know, the stickers, the pins that they put in there. I took those stickers out and I put them all over my electric bike because the electric bike is kind of horror themed or Halloween themed. So I decked it out with all those kind of stickers. So anyway, on to the next. The next one is donuts. This is warm strawberry donuts. Let's try. Oh my God, that smells so good, guys. It's like honestly, it's like walking into a Krispy Kreme. Oh man, that smells so good. Yeah, this is right on. It smells like you're walking into a pastry shop or a donut shop, obviously, hence the word donut. On to the next. This one is La Llorona, right, from the ever so popular movies. This is eucalyptus and spearmint. I like the colors on these. It's more, wow. This is, I smell more of a cologne than I do anything else. I've been noticing a lot of the aromatherapies like what Bed Bath and Beyond uses. Bed Bath and Beyond? No. Bath and Body Works. I do that all the time. They're getting real bold with strong scents. Man, wow, that's really nice. I do smell a little bit of the eucalyptus now. I get a little bit of the spearmint, but again, it's more of a cologne based, I think. Not bad. That is La Llorona. Our next one, everybody's favorite, Wonka Bar. And as you can tell, yeah, you know what this is. Oh man. Honestly, this smells like exactly what it is. Holy dude, this smells like I'm melting down a chocolate bar right now. That's exact. Yeah, that's good. I like that. I like that. Okay, next. Everybody's favorite. This is a very, very popular one. This is the Shape. And as you can tell, very, very fitting for Mr. Michael Myers. So again, what I really, really like is obviously they can't call it Halloween, or they can't call it the Michael Myers. And this is one of the ones that Mac reviewed on his website as well. I'm sorry, on his channel. So the Shape is autumn, apples, and cinnamon. Oh, I smell the apples. I smell the cinnamon. Oh, this honestly, I agree with what Mac says. If you can identify a smell that comes along with Michael Myers, because that's what Haddonfield is. That's Haddonfield in a can. Love it. Okay, next. This is Brother, Sister, Witch Hunters. Okay. And this is Gingerbread House. So white candle here. Wow. Brother, Sister, Witch Hunters. Brother, Sister, Witch Hunters. Hansel and Gretel. I think gingerbread. I mean, this smells like a gingerbread house. That smells nice. I'm not even gonna like this. You don't even need to. Um, yeah. So maybe there's a Hansel and Gretel movie, horror movie that I don't know about. I've never heard of it, but we'll see. Next one is The Maze. Frosted mint leaf, coriander, and snow heart and spent. Okay. So again, this is The Maze. It's kind of green. No, The Maze. Wow. Okay. I smell mint and and I smell a little coriander. Again, these are like more like perfumes or cologne. That's really pretty. It's actually a pretty scent. It's actually a very, very nice scent. I could burn this like on a nice summer day. That's what that reminds me of. I like it. Next, moving right along. Jack's Advocat. Saying that right? Advocat? Jack's Advocat? Yeah, all right. So this is coconut bourbon and eggnog. Check this color out right there. Brown, as you can see. Wow. I smell coconut right off the bat on this. And I smell eggnog. So if Jack Skellington, right, can go into Christmas Town, this would be his smell if you had smell-o-vision. Oh, that's so good. That is a good one. I like that. That is Jack's Advocat. Advocat. Whatever. 48-year-old man, I can't even read some of the stuff. Now you're getting into my two favorites that I really was saving the best for last, if you will. This, folks, is called Sam Hain. And as we know, you can guess, it is orange. Oh, man. Pumpkin, apple, candy corn. I mean, Sam Hain, I would, this would be Sam from Trick or Treat. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm gonna have to burn this. Gonna have to get in there. Gonna have to do it. Here we go. Oh man, that's so good. That is really, really, really good. All right, dig it. Sam Hain. I definitely recommend it. If you act now. If you go to the Etsy page, Lee does a lot of promotions, does a lot of discounts. Even look for the ones that are discounted heavily. He'll discount them by like 10%, 5%, 10%, depending on what he has a lot of. And they're inexpensive. I got all of this. I've got all these candles that you see here for about $100. If you guys are candle people, if you're like candle people like me, if you're candle people like my wife, these are great gifts to give to somebody, especially if they're Halloween nerds. If they're Halloween nuts like I am, and somebody gave me these, I wouldn't even know what to do. Now, my wife loves Halloween as much as I do, thank God. This was a perfect fit. Last one, Packanack Lodge. We can kind of identify what this might be, right, by the color of it. Wow. This is Jason, right? So that's what comes to my mind. Mountain Lake, ginger, and firewood. I smell the firewood. I smell the ginger. And I smell an artificial, Yankee Candle Mountain Lake mountain smell, fresh air, freshness, whatever. There's so many different things to describe this, but I think you all understand what I'm smelling here. Laundry detergent, maybe something like that on that lines. But anyway, that is Packanack Lodge. Um, all in all, uh, you can't go wrong. These candles are fantastic. They're not that big. I mean, they're 8-ounce little cans, but I mean, I like these candles pretty much throughout the entire day, and usually I do jar candles, but I can't afford the price tag on a lot of those. So, off to Michael's, you go and you get the whatever's on sale. You know what I mean? But every once in a while, when you come across something like this, you might want to kind of indulge a little bit and be like, you know what? Yeah, let me go ahead and burn this one tonight, or I'm gonna burn this one or burn that one tonight. So, hope that helps. Again, I will put a description below. It is called, just so you know, and this is really cool. So the shipping, they usually go through a flat rate shipping right here. Okay, so this is the logo that you see right here, right there. Okay, we only see my address there. Sorry. Misfire and Dread Candles. They are out in California. They're fantastic. Tell Lee Roosevelt Hill sent you, that you saw my channel. You like the content, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoy some of the content that I'm putting out. Again, I'm not trying to be the next YouTuber or anything like that. I just really want to put stuff out there that's Halloween inspired, for the other folks like you, like me, that we all can kind of, we're all one happy kind of family. We're a little tight knit group of people, and we can kind of learn and get tips and stuff like that. So, I do appreciate it. And again, I'll probably do more of these, I guess, face-to-face interactions, one-on-ones. And again, comment below if you like any of the videos that you've seen, stuff maybe you would like to see what I can do. Give me some hints of what you would like to see done. Again, my backdrop is nothing extravagant. It's just me, a guy in New Jersey, filming himself doing a review on candles. So, I hope you all had some fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. And again, if you like the content, click subscribe. Tell me, it helps me know that you like what you're seeing. So I do appreciate it all. Be safe out there in 2021. Be kind. Show your love to your neighbor. Be cool, and keep it real. All right. Thanks again, guys. Take care.